Welcome to my channel Techno Trend Zone. In the ever-evolving world of photography, enthusiasts and professionals alike are constantly seeking better tools to capture fast action and perform well under challenging lighting conditions. Canon has consistently pushed the boundaries of camera technology, and the rumored Canon EOS R6 Mark II might be the next leap forward. From advanced sensors to enhanced video capabilities, this upcoming model has the potential to become a favorite among photographers and videographers. Let's dive into the detailed features and possibilities surrounding this anticipated release. Canon's recent innovations and the EOS R6 Mark II's place in the lineup. Canon's recent releases, including the EOS R1, R5 Mark III, and R3, demonstrate a commitment to innovation and a relentless push to improve their offerings. These high-end models have set benchmarks for performance, and now rumors suggest that the EOS R6 Mark II is set to join the lineup. The EOS R series follows a hierarchical numbering system that gives insight into the capabilities of each model. At the pinnacle sits the R1, followed by the R3, R5, and then the R6. The R6 series has always been aimed at serious photographers who seek professional-level performance at a more accessible price point. With the Mark II, Canon could solidify the R6's position as a versatile, reliable, and powerful camera for diverse use cases. Improvements from the R6 Mark I to the R6 Mark II. The EOS R6 Mark I was a well-rounded camera with a 20MP sensor, dual-pixel autofocus, and advanced video features. However, Canon addressed some limitations in the R6 Mark II with significant upgrades, including sensor and image quality. The EOS R6 Mark I featured a 20MP sensor, but the Mark II might come equipped with a 24MP backside illuminated stacked sensor, possibly derived from the higher-end R3. Stacked sensors are known for their exceptional speed and reduced rolling shutter effects in videos, making them ideal for sports and action photography. Low-light performance. The new sensor could significantly enhance low-light performance, capturing intricate details in both shadows and highlights. This would benefit photographers shooting in challenging environments like concerts, weddings, and nighttime events. Faster and more accurate autofocus. Canon's autofocus systems are industry-leading, and the Mark II is expected to feature an upgraded version of the dual-pixel CMOS AF2 system. This upgrade could improve subject tracking, especially for fast-moving objects and in low-contrast scenarios. Enhanced video capabilities. The Mark II might support 4K video at 120 frames per second, allowing filmmakers to create smooth slow-motion footage. Rumors also suggest the possibility of 6K RAW recording when using fast CF Express cards, catering to professionals who demand the highest video quality. Improved thermal management. Overheating was a concern with earlier models, but Canon has addressed this in recent releases. The Mark II might feature better heat dissipation systems, enabling longer recording times without interruptions. Battery life and usability. The Mark II could offer improved battery efficiency, essential for extended shoots. Additionally, new AI-based focus modes and webcam functionality might further enhance its versatility. Key hardware features and design updates. Memory and storage. The Mark II is likely to include dual card slots, one for CF Express Type B cards and another for SD cards. This combination provides flexibility between speed and cost-effectiveness, catering to different shooting scenarios. Processor and speed. While it may not feature the top-tier Digic X accelerator chip found in the EOS R1 and R5 Mark III, the Mark II is expected to have an upgraded processor. This could improve burst shooting rates, enhance buffer capacity, and boost overall performance. Electronic and mechanical shutters. The Mark I's electronic shutter could capture 40 frames per second, a feature usually found in higher-end models. The Mark II might retain or even improve this capability, making it a compelling choice for wildlife and sports photographers. Build quality. Canon is known for its robust construction, and the R6 Mark II is likely to feature a weather-sealed body. This ensures durability in challenging environments, from dusty deserts to rainy landscapes. Video capabilities. A filmmaker's dream? Canon's reputation in the video market is strong, and the EOS R6 Mark II could further solidify its standing. Key video features might include 4K at 120 frames per second for smooth slow-motion videos. 6K RAW recording, a feature typically reserved for higher-end cameras. Improved thermal management for extended recording durations. advanced video profiles like Canon Log 3 for better dynamic range and color grading flexibility. These features would make the Mark II a powerful hybrid camera, equally suitable for photographers and filmmakers. Canon's autofocus systems. Leading the way. Autofocus is one of the defining features of any modern camera, and Canon consistently sets the bar high. The R6 Mark II is expected to excel in this area, with improvements in subject detection. Enhanced AI algorithms could improve recognition of animals, vehicles, and even individual human features like eyes and faces. Low light focus. A new sensor and processor could improve focusing speed and accuracy in dimly lit environments. When can we expect the Canon EOS R6 Mark II? The release date for the EOS R6 Mark II remains speculative, with possibilities ranging from early 2025. The timing is crucial.